Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add a saved password sign-in info with Samsung Pass in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on security and privacy. Now in security and privacy, scroll down and click on more security settings. And here in more security settings, click on Samsung Pass. Now scan your fingerprint to verify your identity. And after verifying, click on apps or websites. Now to add a saved password sign-in info, click on this add icon. Now from here, click on set. And from here you can choose any app, or if you want to save the password of a website, then here you can enter that website. So from here choose the app. Now enter the user ID and then enter its password. Now here you can add a note if you want to add, otherwise click on save to save the password. So that's how you can add a saved password sign-in info with Samsung Pass in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.